Hey guys.
Hey, what's going on, world? Hey, it's your man Ghost and Little Ghost. We just got back from the range. Today was a very exciting day. We had a chance to go out and shoot a couple of the new toys that we got in the bunch.
Yep.
I had fun. What about you?
Oh, I had plenty of fun.
Had a whole lot of fun. Today we went to go and shoot the M&P AR15 and the M&P AR22. Which one was your best one that you liked?
Honestly, I like the AR15, but I have to go with the 22 because they don't have that much kickback.
It don't have that much kickback. Well, me personally, I loved both of them. But if I had to say my favorite, I would have said my favorite would have been the AR15. We did name them both. we named them both. We named them Simba and Mufasa. And believe me, they both of the names fit. So look at the video, take a look at it, like, share, subscribe.
Yep. Y'all enjoy the video.
Enjoy the video. Make sure it's on camera though.
Alright, so I wonder if these are bulletproof.
Alright, two. Same thing with it. Did you want to put the sight on the red dot?
Huh?
Did you want to change the look of it on the red dot?
Yeah.
Which you want to change it to? That one. Or just a dot? So go ahead and lift it up. Keep it. Take it off for safety. And make sure you get one target. Take your time. Rush you, just take your time.
When the safety is on, that means you won't be able to see
that
dot right there. And it also obstructs the slide.
So drop the mag.
And it also prevents you from moving the slide too. So in order to be able to pulling back,
Oh man.
You got so close.
I told him part.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Well, it was already bullet.
A little right.
You got just a little bit.
Alright, so we're gonna pull up.
Huh?
Supposed to shoot for 15.
Push down.
15. Hang on this one.
That thing rips.
Yeah. Alright.
Everybody.
Yeah, you can still get it. Yeah, it's not over the line yet. Okay, so what is it you have there?
Well, it's gonna last.
Okay, did that happen when you pulled the slide back?
Yes, it did.
Okay, so that meant you already had a bullet in the chamber? Yeah, it's not over the line yet.
Alright, we'll fast it going.
I can check the chamber and see if there's some in there. And that's pretty easy.
Alright, here we go.
Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, it's good. It's loaded.
That thing vibrates the floor.
So they always like line it up like this. That was a good shot.
Got one loaded.
Yeah, I already got one loaded for you. Hold on.
Did you film okay? Somebody get you something?
So, they can choose which target you want.
I'll go
Alright. So the red dot is pretty much the same. The trigger is a little bit different. When you load this one, you gotta pull it back and let it pop in order for it to feed that shell in there, okay? If it don't feel right, you stop and let me know, okay? Keep your gun pointed down range. This one a little different, okay? It's loud and it's got a big bang with it, but it's still the same way. It's not that bad of a kickback. Don't tell your shoulder nothing.
don't talk about like this.
No, it's just you just feel it up. So,
It's always the most difficult.
the same way. Everything. got your safe fire.
What should I start with?
Put your magazine there. If you want,
No, which one do you think would be better for me?
do it off the table if you want to. Okay.
I think I might do two on my.
Find out which target you're going for first.
Go for 4.
All right. Take your time with it.
It's like the thing is up. Like it's up top.
Yeah, you probably got to look at it a certain way. Take your finger up. Put it on safe. Put it on safe. All right.
Oh yeah, that's one.
Push it in, son. There you go. Take your time with it. Don't put so much finger on the trigger because it's a flat trigger. Just the tip of your finger on it.
So like.
No. That much. Brace yourself.
I ain't see that shit though. I ain't see it. Oh yeah, no, I know. There was no way. I just had it. No, I went to
Take the mag off. Right. So let's see what you got.
No, Dad, you can see it.
There must be something wrong with this magazine here.
It is pretty good. It's pretty loud for sure.
So you got at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That ain't bad at 75 feet with you.
Yeah, I couldn't really see the target like that.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that ain't bad with the 15 that you got.
I was I was trying to get prepared for it.
That was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, once again, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
Guys.
Peace.